welcome to the Mixed Lovelies and Friends. And on this beautiful day, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia, she came out and she's speaking about some things, as you know, about the job. She's speaking about her life, and she's saying that, some people don't really hate her because of Misty, but they're hating on her because of the way she is, and, because of her standards and the things that she's able to do. And even though she don't have a job per se, she's still able to live her life the way that she wants to, and that's what people are carrying grudges for. So guys, go and catch the video for yourself to hear more of what Marcia has to say, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that beautiful notification bell at the top there so that you know when I post anything. And for all my beautiful, wonderful lovelies out there celebrating your wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my followers and subscribers, thank you so much. And I wish you a splendid and wonderful day today. And remember, guys, that we have to live our lives the way that we please, just the way that we please. And no matter what the situation that may arise, no matter what situations we're going through, we have to ensure that at the end of the day, we're keeping happy. We can't be depressed by the way and things of life. Do you remember when we were growing up and we heard that things happen for a reason? Well, sometimes they do happen for a reason, and sometimes we're dodging a bullet. That's not literal, but a figurative speech. And so sometimes things happen for us to move in another direction, and that sometimes propel us to go in the way that we should go. Sometimes it's a big improvement, sometimes it allows other doors to open for us. So sometimes we have to move away from holding on to the past situation or what we had in the past, and think about the different doors that will be opened for us. And we sometimes will go through situations and that we feel is unfair, and sometimes it's really unfair because of what we had at that point, but we tend not to see the unforeseen that is right before us, that there's a bigger door that's opening for us with many different things that we wouldn't have had if we were stuck in the position that we were before. So sometimes it's a blessing to release that thing of the past, to release that situation or what we had lost in the past, and know that there are better days coming, no matter how blind we are to the fact that it's there, because sometimes our better days is just ahead, but we sit and think about what's behind. So move forward now, look in front of you. Remember, your future is where you're heading. Your past, it's gone, but you still have the opportunity to have more doors opening up for you in the future. Have yourselves a beautiful, splendid day, my friends, and catch me here on the mix every day.
87 North.
Yeah, you think they hate me because of the woman? Nope. The bitch them just of me because I live the way me dress up every day. I go out every day, go buy me little food. Them can't do it because them tie up and full up our bills. And whole heap of pitney under their ass foot. Whole heap of mortgage and whole heap of car payment. My vehicle pay off long time from me buy it. From the first day me take it off of the dealership, I pay for it. You understand? So you must think say Them are people that care nothing about that girl there. What them don't like is the way my self-esteem is high, and the way I live my life, and the way I put on my little nice frock, them and go to live like I, and them cannot do it. Some of them they put on a little living job, and them can't go away. You really find cases like mine. When me depend, when me there in our white people house, and me can't go about my business and come back. I eat a mad them. Them stung in the house, they wish them could have go out and come back. Them can't do it because them did not bless like me. So it's a them problem. If you see me can't leave and go in, that's why they come on social media and talk about how me want to take over the people in the house. No. It don't matter. Me did it with him, and every time I go to think, you know how much money me I save the family there? You know how much money me save the family? The family was 24 hours. At 9 o'clock me left, and I could have go at my friend's house, I could have gone at my cousin, and I could have gone baby for the house for sleep. Extra room is upstairs. And whatever. So I eat. So don't make them fool you. Don't let them fool you and think say they're fighting me because of that lady. It is sheer 100% blood clot, bomb clot, pussy clot, rasta, jealous of. It's straight. They're not taking up for this lady. It is sheer blood clot jealousy. Me not ask you. Me I tell you straight up. The real members, only them know. The real people them know out here. It is called jealousy. And you guys have to understand, you don't have to be rich. You don't have to be rich.
Turn right onto Seymour Road.
You don't have to have nothing for somebody to jealous of you. Yeah. If I be like them, like jealous of me, to come and live my life free and do what I want. It's not easy for somebody to have a self-esteem like me and get along with people like me.
Light, turn right onto
You
Seymour
understand?
Road.
So that is the problem. So they make them fool you. Don't let them fool you and think say and believe say them a cuss me for the lady. No. It's jealousy. That's what it is. Sheer jealousy. Jealousy. They're jealous of my pretty looks. They're jealous of my big belly. They're jealous of my pretty teeth. And
continue on
number
Seymour
one,
Road for half a mile.
they're jealous of my man when I have. Then can't pick up no man not pay no attention, nothing at all. Lady. So I eat. Then jealous of me little dicky when me I get, and them do I use rose. Fill lick them crotch. And do herself battery if you grind them.
In a quarter mile, at the traffic circle, take the first exit onto International Drive.
That is what it is. So that is exactly what it is. Not at all. Yeah, so don't make them fool, you know. Don't let them fool, you know. You don't understand. To have a personality like mine, to be strong like me, you don't find a woman like me who is so strong. Some them kind of hear what them say. She don't have no shame. She should have come off of Facebook long time. Look how them cuss Tina Chin. And when you're ready to see Tina Chin just do a little post. Tina Chin just do a little post. And when she do a little post, she will come back on. That means they want somebody afraid of them. I'm not afraid of no bomber pussy blood clot. Fuck no bomber clot. You could have called me whatever name you want to call me. I don't give a shit. I don't afraid of no. So it don't make no sense. Because I don't afraid of no. Yep. So it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. Uno chat as well. Oh, come off of Facebook, come off. Uno blood clot, come here, come see me. As for 15, 16 years, me upon this pussy clot here. I want to come off. I want to come off, because look what a real blood clot dick. Instead of that, I put up Rosa and I want a pussy and fast dick. And that nothing go do. Me must come off after me not done away phone. And me pay my rascal phone bill. Eh? So me not busy with you now. I don't busy with you no child. Yep, I don't business with you now. I wanna have to go find a way out to no happiness. Go find one homeless man and clean him up. Like how me find one homeless man and me clean him up. Me find job give him. And plus me mind him every month. Me buy him clothes, in boot, in pocket money, in liquor money, in gambling money, in rum money. I don't know where I don't buy. All in dick me I buy too. Yes, my dear. All in dick. I'm buying everything. I can't tell if this is English or not. It's called English. For me, English. Yeah, me buy everything. You see, true, me know so me not name the pussy, so me rather buy dick. Cause you can't get my pussy for name. So me buy dick. So me buy dick. Cause me not put no ass false dick under my pussy. So me buy the live one. At least me can get rub me down with some atta, baby. At least me can get some warmness. False dick can't warm me up in the winter time. Hey, me want some good flow. Me want it slip and slide. Yes, my dear. I want some slip and slide. Yes. Me buy dicky. Yes, my dear. He called rent a man. Yes, my dear. Rent a man. Hello, ladies. How much you want rent for the man? Yes. Me a rent the man. Whatever bummer cloth time he left. That's me say me no have the pussy cloth string attached. I lease him. So if me want to lease him for a ass year, me lease him for a year. You understand? And if he work good, me keep him for a year if he want. But at least me lease him. Yes. So me rather buy the man than have a rose. Sometimes I read it because me used to it. I've been doing it. Sometimes. Me have to adjust the phone I'm reaching because this phone is, the words them is so small, but me still manage to read it. You don't agree with me? Yes, I rent the man. So me rather rent the man. So you can't cost me, so me buy him and buy him not. Yes, me have control of him because I me pick him up for work. So me buy him and then me get him home to get and me send him home. What about that? And feed him too. Me go down on the fish market to buy fish. Me not buy fish for so much money. The fish I sell for $13 a pound. Me not buy no snapper fish. Snapper fish that New York City I buy for $8.99 a pound. Me not buy no snapper fish in the fish market down on Blue Hill Avenue. $13 a pound. Me just go down and me didn't buy it. No, me dear. I did buy it. $13 a pound. What a way my man friend lucky. Rain or fall. Otherwise, it's if me not come pick up my friend, he have to wait for the company. The company transportation, 40 minutes after they left work. They have to wait 40 minutes. Yeah, 40 minutes before the company bus drive off and drop them at the place. And it like 5 minutes to him house. So him not have to drive come. What if me pick him up? You see how rain fall? Yeah, $13 plan Blue Hill Avenue. Me just walk out left it. Yeah, me just walk right out, leave it. Yes, my dear. So them luckier than me. So no can't stay in a rent one man. I rent the man. That's me said no love, no strings attached. You just love for a year or 6 months. So you don't have no problems. Look, man, this is one of them run sideways like a crab. This is a white man there. Afraid of water. Nasty man and I want to bathe. No, me there. Nasty, I don't want to bathe. For you see the way I skip the water, you know say I love bathe. Yes. So who can't stay there? If you see my what the white people don't love bathe, you know? They don't love bathe at all. Yeah, so wanna leave me a my little renter man. That is it. And that's where world come to know. We are rate the man. So we sexy ass man a come here now. Yeah, so we rent him. That's what I did. Water with you. You're lucky. You're lucky have a woman to pick you up. I saw me I tell the woman, I tell him say, me rent you. Me rent you for so me can let you go anytime. So how was it there? Long there? Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, but you're lucky today. Lucky, so me hope this a week here. Is it rain or fall?
Rain today.
Yeah, I know it was coming down hard. You say you're lucky. Oh, you're lucky. You have a woman like me. You know much man want a woman to go pick them up? Want to pick up the man and then can need to go get them fire. Me on Facebook, you know, on YouTube. Me I tell them so I eat. Me I tell them say them somebody hate me. So me tell them say that them a cuss me for one woman on social media. Me tell them say I hate them because of the way I live my life. And they need one stiff dick. They take too much rose. And false dick. They don't have the wife to warm them up. So it doesn't, you know, I get to get an understanding, you know. You know, some of you ladies are very lonely. I want to take Facebook for companionship on YouTube with people them. I tell them say I can't get one homeless man like mine. And me find him in a homeless shelter. Yes, I find him in a homeless shelter and I clean him up. Yeah. You understand? And I rent a place and I put him in there and everything. Don't be make me do. Yeah? Them know that. Alright. Let's go by yourself. Yeah. So me clean him up and now they're jealous. Before them I tell me, you know. Before them I tell me say me not have no man. Right? Me need to get a man. And now me find a homeless man and clean you up now. Give you a job. And rent an apartment put in and feed them jealous now. Eh? So what me do? Me forgive you? You want them? Yeah? You want them? You don't want them? I saw them say now. Ain't you find one little man, right? And you clean up the man and take him up. Nobody never want the man, you know. Because nobody never want him until I pick him up and fix him up now. No one jealous. You have to stop it. I can't tell you nowhere to go. There's a lot of homeless. How should the homeless man hang out already? How should I hang out already? Again, ready. Yeah? How should I hang out? Where me say no? Where for your place in there? Where me say no? You know what happened? You know why I get to salt happiness too? What you can get what I mean? Me not laugh, but I mean you know why you don't want the woman to be happy. Me want to leave me alone. So them can't go find somebody because some of them man them good looking, you know, have some stiff piece of wood. Let them search for themselves. No, but me want to help them because if I help them, then them can't up for me. Them can't up for me if I can send them to the location. So you know what, I give them a location. You don't want to help me to give them a location where we found you? Huh? You mean? So what you acting so mean? So because I told you I need to make them happy. I need to make them happy. Because that is what they want. They want a good dicky. That's what they want. That's what they want. They want a man like me. So I'm just telling you, but that's not nice. You ain't giving the information. Well, I'm gonna find it tomorrow. I'm gonna find the same spot where just because it was a night time when I pick you up, I totally forget. So you got to give me the information. Because remember when I saw you, it was like about 12 o'clock in the night, right? Me not laugh with you. Me not laugh with you. I'm not laughing. They're too bright and out of order. No, look can't bother, but it's true, man. These women need something. You see, some of them then just worship house, they worship furnitures, they're not going nowhere. And they get so addicted to Facebook. It's like these people go on the channels and they watch the same thing over and over and over, and these people don't even have nothing to give. And they don't try to make themselves happy. Me tell them all the time for years and years, go out by yourself. Don't sit down and wait for a man to carry you out. Go out by yourself. Treat yourself the #1 priority. You know, even the mere fact that woman, you guys live in the United States, and you know how America is so hard, and it takes you guys a miracle to reach where you guys are today. Even the mere fact, some of you go through cancer, go through all kind of trial, losing a house, losing a car, losing a husband, losing a man, wanna lose so much. I wanna sit down and I wanna sit down and let a woman who don't even have the experience of what America is all about, other than seeing it on TV and hearing it all about, and do not live it. I want to sit there within a hypocrite self and let somebody come in and talking about how you live America for 40 years and you don't have nothing. Yeah? You're living here. What do you mean? Where are the work that you have put in this country to make it what it is today? What you mean? What you mean you don't have nothing? So isn't she talking about you too? Eh? What do you have? Because they don't have a house to show? Eh? So if it's a house is the #1 priority to make it in America, why is the Americans them here to still live in the project? Why them have crisis in California with white and black America living on the roadside if they can make it? So why are they building infrastructures, apartment all over Connecticut, all over New York, all over states? Why are they cutting down forests, building lots of apartment if people were buying house? Because there's more apartment that are making up all over the place than house. So if people could afford house, they will be building up more house. But people are investing in apartment because they know that house is not easy to be maintained.